The 3 steps to maximize drug sales around the world and beyond. Sales of the blue pill Strivor are skyrocketing across the globe, boosting the share price of drug manufacturer Health Tech and bringing new hope to the sufferers of motivational deficiency disorder. The humble Australian professor who discovered the disease and the blockbuster drug to cure it is now sharing the secrets of this extraordinary marketing success.
Nice to see you again.
Based on the professor's PowerPoint presentation, this confidential training video has been produced exclusively for pharmaceutical company executives.
Good afternoon and welcome colleagues to this afternoon's seminar.
Over the next few minutes, we'll learn the 3 steps to maximize your company's profits and your annual bonus. Educate the health professionals, partner with patients, and inform the public.
And this photograph is the reason that we're here today. The plague of our times is motivational deficiency disorder, and this is a sufferer. This patient has mild motivational deficiency disorder. Despite the chaos of her life, she is still able to feed and clothe herself and, on her better days, watch Australian Idol. And at this stage, Strivor is the only answer. I have never pretended to understand business and industry, so I've been extraordinarily fortunate to have health tech mentors who've been able to advise and encourage me on our road to widespread use of Strivor. This slide summarises their approach. We need to educate the professionals, partner with patients, and inform the public. Education is an opportunity for marketing, and marketing is an opportunity for education. So, educating professionals involves funding doctors' groups, doctors' conferences, and doctors' dinners. And here is an example of one of our highly successful medical education evenings.
The drinks are coming. I have the great privilege of introducing you to Professor Lethargos, who actually discovered motivational deficiency disorder and then went on to create Strivor, which is going to help manage the condition. So I'd like you to welcome him.
Firstly, I'd like to thank you very much for the opportunity to come and speak to an independent group about this exciting new discovery. So we estimate that the frequency of motivational deficiency disorder may be up to 1/5 of the adult population. Now, our research identified the agent indolabant by our experiments with experimental animals. Firstly in the large animal, the sloth, and then subsequently in the small animal model, which allowed us to accelerate our work much more rapidly by using the dormouse. And in both of these animal models, we found that indolabant, now known as Strivor around the world, Strivor, is particularly effective at reversing the effects of motivational deficiency disorder. You've seen nothing until you've seen a sloth that's motivated, I can tell you. Look for the signs of motivational deficiency disorder in all of your patients.
Market research demonstrates educational evenings like this one lead to dramatic increases in doctors' prescriptions for the sponsor's drug. Just $100 invested in wining and dining doctors can produce almost $500 in drug sales. Back in the boardroom, the professor explains the second step to maximize drug sales: partner with patients.
Partnerships are an opportunity for promotion, and promotion is an opportunity for partnerships. Health tech can also assist patients by funding patient groups, telephone helplines, and information websites. Apart from Strivor, I find that nothing is so motivating as health tech funding. So here we're going to look at a short video of the Unmotivated Anonymous annual conference dinner, which we held so successfully just recently.
Our vision at Unmotivated Anonymous is to spread the word about revolutionary treatments for motivational deficiency disorder. It's my very pleasant duty to introduce Professor Leth Argos.
Thank you very much for that very kind invitation. You may not realise how heartening it is for me to see so many previously unmotivated individuals here in one place at the one time.
I would not have been able to get the motivation to come to a dinner like this or even dress up. So I really, it's been a dramatic change for me.
My husband is so proud of me to be able to leap to this challenge.
I'm really pleased for you.
Thank you so much.
I'd like to move you on. There's someone who's really wants to speak to you.
Thank you so much. I just can't thank you enough. You're a wonderful man.
Often in the course of these evenings, patients will take advantage of the free samples of the sponsor's drug. Despite their fierce independence, partnering with patient groups is well worth your investment, as they can become powerful advocates for your drug.
And on the count of 3, we'll all leap together. 1, 2, 3. Strike on!
The final step to maximize drug sales is to inform the public.
We seek to inform the public because it's an opportunity for advertising, and advertising is an opportunity to inform. These are the ways in which we can inform the public. Fund disease awareness campaigns, fund direct-to-consumer advertising, and fund celebrity advertisements. And one of the things that I've learned from health tech is that our experience with the public is that they often don't know how sick they really are until they see objective, reliable information from health tech. Are there any questions about that particular strategy?
Professor, as you know, there are some countries that have bans on direct-to-consumer advertising. How do we as an industry deal with this?
One of the important strategies has been the use of the internet. And I think that this is one way of circumventing some of the bans in particular areas of media, such as television or radio. So after our questions, we've got here an example of a patient information commercial which we recently broadcast.
Before I started treatment, I couldn't even go to work. I just lay on the couch all day long.
1 in 5 people suffer from motivational deficiency disorder.
The condition varies from very mild through to the most severe disease, which is potentially fatal.
Since I started treatment, I've had the will to strive more in the office, to do my own shopping, and even clean out my oven.
Everybody should have access to this particular treatment.
I'll always have motivational deficiency disorder, but with my new treatments, I'm more alive than ever before.
For more objective information about motivational deficiency disorder, go to unmotivatedanonymous.org. And don't let this happen to your family.
To recap, the 3 steps to success are to educate the professionals, partner with patients, and inform the public. Today, Strivor is available for any of you who feel that you want to get up and go that extra mile to expand your drug market around the world and beyond. Thank you very much for your attention.
Very hard to arrange, but
This was such an extraordinary change in his behaviour that she was overcome. Being completely still may in fact protect you from predation.
is that the right spot?